Okay, so I am going to be self-injecting my Dupixent, and there are a couple things that I forgot to go over last time, and I've also been having a lot of questions wanting to know if it is more painful when you pinch or not. So this time I'm going to try to remember to not pinch. Every single time I do it, I do pinch, so I'm going to try really, really hard to remember. So what I want to show you this time that I forgot to show you last time is that you can see the medicine. And then when the medicine is all gone, it's just gonna be straight yellow. So I'm just gonna do this video the way I did my other ones, and we'll just pretend like it is one of my first one, and I'm gonna do it a different way. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna gather your supplies. Really, the only things you need are alcohol pads and the medicine. Also, there's a really helpful app. It's called My Way. It's for Dupixent users. It tells you when exactly to take the medication out of your refrigerator. It also has a timer that will tell you when the hour is over and when the medicine is ready for you to inject it. And it also remembers where you put your medicine the last time you did your injection. So I really like that, and I think everybody should sign up for it if you haven't already. Again, it's called My Way for Dupixent users. So here we go. I had already washed my hands. I'm going to open up my alcohol pad. I'm gonna keep saying to myself that I'm not going to pinch my stomach. So I'm not pinching, because I wanna be able to tell you if it hurts more when I am pinching or when I am not pinching. So this time I'm not gonna pinch it. All right, we're making sure it's super clean. There it is. And again, we're gonna take off the green thing. And when we take off the green thing, there is not a needle exposed. It's going to show us a yellow situation, and then that's how you push it again. So here's my green cap that just comes off, and you can see the medicine is all in there, and you cannot see the needle is not exposed. I'm not going to pinch it this time and see how it feels, and I'm going to wait for those 2 clicks. So I'm putting it in now. I'm going to push. There's my 1 click. It's going in, it's going in, it's going in, it's going in, it's going in. There's my 2 click. I'm all done. I didn't pinch this time, and no, I do not feel like it hurts less or more. You guys are giving yourself a needle with medicine that's gonna help overall improve your quality of life. So here we are. Now that I have given myself the dosage, you can see it is no longer clear. You can see that the medicine went in, and you just put the green cap back on and put it in your sharps box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to write in the comments thing. If there's any other way you would like to see the self-injection of the Dupixent done, please let me know in the comments. Hope you love it. Good luck with your Dupixent journey, and download that My Way app. Thanks guys, have a great day. Peace.